we're going to do our parallel parking, complete parallel parking from your right hand side. So we're going to do a half observation to your right, give the signal to your right. Right, reverse gear, clutch control, full observation. So with that, we're going to go to the back. You're going to wait until you can see the first pole in the middle of your second window, and then you're going to check the opposite side, check the opposite blind spot, turn and lock your wheel. With that, we're going to come to the back, right? So once you spot, now you're going to check your side mirror, left side mirror. So once you see all three poles, your left hand side mirror, you're going to straighten your wheel. So we're going to straighten up as soon as you see all three poles. Alright, so from there you wait until you see the first pole in the middle of your side mirror. Then you turn and lock your wheel to your left. So once you enter your parking, you just always make sure that you don't knock any poles or any obstacles in the way, right? So from there, once your vehicle is straight or the center pole is in line in the middle of your vehicle, you straighten up, handbrake up, gear lever neutral. Alright, so that is a complete parallel parking from your right hand side.